Am I the only one that didn't know organizing your computer desktop could be this easy? Prepare to have your mind blown. First up, let's talk about folders. Create folders for different subjects or projects. It's like having labeled drawers where you can quickly find your stuff. Next, use a clean wallpaper. A busy background can be super distracting. Go for something simple and soothing. Your brain will thank you. Now for the magic of shortcuts. Pin your most used apps to the taskbar. No more digging around to find that one program and widgets. Use calendar and to-do list widgets on your desktop. Instant reminders right there on your screen. Lastly, declutter regularly. Just like cleaning your room, keep your desktop tidy. Delete old files and organize new ones. These small changes can make a huge difference. Try them out and watch your productivity soar. Happy organizing!